I took it down! I hit every shot, dude.
Oh my god!
There you go.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got to do some stuff to the Evo. I got to take off all of these 4 white wheels. Got to put these ones back on with those spacers. And then, yeah, get this car ready for sale here. Raphael's going to come over and grab something for me. And then I also have a JDM Evo 9 rear bumper getting delivered today. So hopefully we'll take delivery of that as well. I'm going to start by opening the garage because it's kind of nice out, kind of not. I don't know. I can't tell right now. Is it nice out? Yeah, it's all right. It's a little cloudy. Got the S2K parked out. This thing will go right back into the garage as soon as this comes out of it. So that'll be nice. Alrighty, first things first. Let me get myself some gloves here because I am not really willing to. Oh, that's loud. Not really willing to touch all of these, Jesus, fuck. I think Raphael's here with his new bike. What a fucking guy. Look at that thing. Jesus. I can't wait to get riding again, guys. That shit's lit. Looks good. What do you mean by not perfect? Looks pretty good to me.
I mean, it's got the body. See that crack right there?
Oh,
crack.
I see.
The
little
front,
things.
all these clips are broken in the front, so I gotta replace this little
Definitely
piece.
been dropped. Yeah.
He gave me the piece to replace this.
Oh, okay.
Because all the clips are broken on the plastic.
Nice.
So I'm just gonna try to do that, and that'll be, the front will be good, but.
Right on. Alright, goodbye, Raphael. That thing is gnarly. Alrighty, now to get to working on this thing. How I dread working on this car. I have to put all these spacers and stuff back on as well. God damn, you can hear them all the way down the street over there. Holy fuck. Look at these long ass studs. Holy shit. So we were actually using that as the spacer. It's hub centric, of course. Pretty nice, but yeah, these are very long studs. I was not expecting that. So I guess we'll just grab one of these. I don't know which ones go where. I don't think these are directional tires, are they? Let's see. Dunlop. Does it say rotation that way? So yep, that'll be perfect. Wow, it's just my day. It seems like everybody's coming over today. It's Eric. What's good, bro? How you doing?
Doing good.
How's your chiropractic?
Good. I can stand straight.
Feel better? Right on. So what we're doing right now is just putting all the gold wheels back on. I've got all the white ones lined up right here. Dude, to be on. Yo, is this it? Maybe? Is he delivering here to the car club? Oh yeah, he is. He's just gonna park right there in the middle of the. Nice. There's my new bumper, dude. Whoa! No work, no money. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing because I do need to check to see if this is damaged in transit. So, pull this thing open real quick just to make sure
Having trouble.
That's fine.
That's alright.
Let's just check.
Goodbye, Evo. Goodbye, S2K. We're gonna go get food real quick. I am hungry. He's hungry. Yeah, we need some food. Oh, another Optima. Yo, but where does GTR come from, though? There's also a Subaru. Is that a WRX? That's a WRX. But what the fuck?
There's a stator over there.
Where'd you come from? Some sushi. We got some gyoza. We got some salad in here. And then the main entree. Wow, wow, wow. There's a Tesla there, a Tesla there, and a Tesla there. And two of them are moving, so it's my turn. My turn to get a Tesla spot. Tezzy. And I think Eric's gonna be here soon too, but we shall see. Holy shit, stacked out here. Evo, Optima, Mercedes, CBR 1000 RR, another Evo, and another Evo, and a couple more bikes. Shit, son. Oh. Yo, we out here at Arco right now. We got the boys. Ethan's here. What's good? Andrew's here. What's good?
Nice to meet you.
Holy shit, boys. And we got this Prelude. What's your name, man? Alex. Nice to meet you, man. That thing's fucking clean. Right-hand drive, too. Ah, it's so sweet. Yo, what a lineup. And we got Carlo coming. I think Thomas is coming, right? But who knows?
He said he would.
Yeah, right on.
No, Carlos said he'll come down.
All right.
It's at 300.
God damn. Oh, yo. No way, bro.
I didn't even
Oh, you got me fucked up. All right, Andrew got Ethan and I in this video right now. The two black cars. That gold wheels are back on this thing. It's ready to sell. It's leaving my hands tomorrow, so yeah. Sad days, but also onto another Evo. But this thing, god damn. Wow, dude. Hey Ethan, can I ask you a question?
What's up, man?
Why your shit so clean? I don't know.
More low to come, maybe.
Hey,
More low coming.
Static Gang?
Yeah.
Fuck. Alright, Andrew's in the camera car right now. We are flipping around doing this loop a couple times. And it's pretty lit. Getting some nice crispy roller shots in the night here. It's pretty fire. They are black cars though, so it's kind of hard to see.
We're just gonna drive around.
Okay. I don't know what's going on anymore. Whose man's, bro? Whose fucking man's? What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. Does he want us in front?
Oh.
Mic check. Every vlog.
Wazowski from Monster Z. He ate the microphone. So yeah, I put this in my like S4, and then I don't know. Put it in place.
Oh, the taser.
That was so
On
fun.
it? No.
Maybe not on
It's
it.
right here.
Just next to it.
Turbo's literally right
Pretty
there.
loud.
So we're getting audio clips now. Just got some of the Evo there, and we got some nice turbo flutters.
Wait, what's that?
Oof.
That's my
Subwire?
subwire.
Yeah,
It's
there
so
you go.
big for some reason, dude. Like,
God damn, dude. Those taillights. Fucking fire. Alright, that wraps it up for today. We are done filming. We're just gonna go home now and sleep. It has been a long day. It is midnight already.
This is a certified hood classic.
Holy shit, Carlo. God. This motherfucker. Hell no. Dude, he really be hitting me with that shit. Whew. Oh, fuck. Yo.
I didn't even feel it.
Oh, yo.
3 seconds.
You asshole.
I can't even feel it.
Oh, must be nice, dude. This shit's.
Save the ammo. Save the ammo.
No, it's
Put
okay.
it back in. Put it back in.
No, no, no.
No, chill. Get that shit.
No.
Fucking dickhead. Yo, no, not that fucking close. Ow.